how to remove your login activities and your sessions on Instagram. If you're ever wondering how to remove your currently logged in sessions on your Instagram application, but you cannot do it, as always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Okay, here we go. In this tutorial, we'll do so in my mobile phone and Android phone, but you can always replicate it on your iOS device as well. So first off, go to your phone and then open your Instagram. From the home feed, click your profile picture on the bottom right and then choose the hamburger button. From there, select settings and go to security. Click it. And then from there, go to login activity on the bottom of password. And from there, you can see all your currently logged in sessions on Instagram. You can choose to delete it via clicking the triple dot button next to the location. For instance, this one is mine. I'll log out that session. And if there's any pop-up suggestion to change your password, you can do so. Click OK and the sessions will be logged out basically, and that's how you remove your currently logged in sessions and your login activity from your Instagram application on your mobile phone. As always, for more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. Cheers, take care.